Let's go to the table summary. Add table name income to replace the original worksheet 3 and enter the English description. If you have other languages, enter them accordingly. Your button won't work, as you need to replace the existing worksheet 3 to income. Drag down to extend the toolbar, and let me test the language setting. Now we pick the area that holds our income interface table, and we go back to the vendor invoice to copy the whole table. Ctrl+C and then go back to the customer invoice to paste the table. Here we highlight the column head and create a table. Then make your own table design. Go back to vendor invoice and copy the first column description. Then go back to the customer invoice and paste by the formula. Simply copy and paste the reference on top of the column heads and change the vendor name to customer name. Let me format the alignment of the column heads. Let's see if the language setting works. Remember to change the withdrawal bank as well.